In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Google Slides on Chrome browser. So to open Google Slides, firstly open any Chrome browser, then click on this plus icon for new tab. Just you need to open this plus icon for new tab, and if Chrome asks to sign in, so sign in using your Gmail and password. After that, click on these menu dots. So click on it, and in here click on Google Drive. Now click on new. Now in here click on Google Docs and click on this right side but left side menu bar, then click on Slides. Now click on blank. That's it. So like this you can open Google Slides on Chrome browser. You can customize and you can select any ready to use template. There is a large amount of design and images. So friends, like this you can open Google Slides on Chrome browser. Thanks for watching.